Hey everyone, Leo with the Dreaming Tree. Today we're putting together our butterfly occasion card. And just like every card in this bundle, it's very simple. I think we'll be able to get this done in under about 10 minutes. So we've got our card base. I've already folded it at the score line, folded it in half. I'm gonna fold it back like this. We're gonna take this white piece and we're gonna glue that right here to the inside, and that's where we're going to do our writing or journaling. You write your message there. Okay, so we'll start by applying glue to this all the way around the perimeter. Just go easy. You don't want to cake this with too much glue so that it kind of wets and warps the paper. But we'll get that nice and centered, create a nice even border all the way around. There we go. If you have a handy brayer, you can use that to get that glue to penetrate into those paper fibers. We'll open this back up, or actually close it, and work on our little butterfly now. So we've got, I think, 4 layers. Most of them have been 4 layers. And we're going to start with the layer with the fewest details and work our way up until we get to the final white layer, okay? So just follow along with me. I'm gonna grab this layer here with this design, and we're gonna glue that to this layer. Very simple. I think I've already put together, I think this is the last one, I think, for me, and I've been able to do each one, even with all my blabbing, in under 10 minutes. So shows you how quick they go together. And now there are some little details here. Don't worry about getting glue on every single little inch of this. Just, most importantly, get it around the perimeter. I'm going to use these little guides here, these little seed-like elements or little teardrops as my kind of my visual cue, my focus point, so to speak, to help me with the alignment of the next layer. Okay, just like that. All right, and then we'll just move on to the next layer. So obviously the white layer's on top, so we'll leave that for last. We'll do this layer next. And I think I can just do a line around here. And try to get some glue around some of these details. I wouldn't worry too much about, again, getting it in every single nook and cranny. It's a waste of glue and not necessary. These tiny little dots will hold their weight, no problem. Now this time I'm going to use the little butterfly's antennae to help me with the alignment, and then kind of go over to the little teardrop apple seed sort of looking shapes there at the bottom. Okay, that's it. Very simple. And then we've got the final layer, the white layer here. And this one actually, surprisingly, it's a little different, has less layers or less detail than the previous, which is okay. All right, so we'll get a little bit of glue around the wings, and then there's a thin little area here. We'll put some in the center. Just squeeze a little bit of glue out the tip of your bottle and just add a few little dots there in the center, and then just push those down with your finger to thin them out. And just pop that right into place. And there you have it. Okay, so that is that. Now, we do have a little area that you're gonna put your little sentiment on the front as well. It's this rounded rectangle shape here. I'm gonna throw a little bit of glue right on the white part, and we're going to pop this right into the center, like so. Just like that. Okay, now I'm gluing cardstock onto foil, which takes a few extra seconds to dry, so I'm going to let this sit while we get this onto the front, right here. Now you can glue this down flat if you'd like, but I've been using foam squares to get those on there. Actually, they're foam circles. And I've been using either 5 or 6, depending on the design. Seems to be more than enough. So of course, let's see, I just ran out. Wah. It's okay. I have some handy squares here as well. And if you need to mix and match them, that's fine. And I'll throw one here and then one here. Just peel off the backing. Oops. And then just need to pop it right onto the front of the card. Just make sure that you have a nice even border all the way around. Top, bottom, left, and right. Make sure it's centered. And if you're feeling good about it, go ahead and just drop it on. I need to peel this back a little bit. Mine's a little bit off. There we go. Okay. And then finally, take this little piece and we're going to glue this right onto the card itself. Technically you could use some foam squares on this if you'd want, but I'm just going to go flat, and you want that right about here. Just try to create an even amount of space between the very bottom of the card and the bottom of your little butterfly's wings. And there you have it. And there's your beautiful card. So every card in this bundle comes with an envelope, but I only did one video. So if you're looking for the assembly video for the envelope, visit this product page and you'll see it right below the assembly video for this one. All the envelopes for each card in this bundle are all the same, so I only did it once. But that's it. Beautiful card, quick, definitely under 10 minutes, quicker if you don't blab like me, but either way, beautiful and very versatile. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, head over to our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, hit the little bell so that you get notifications anytime we release a new product, whether it be paid or free. And if you make this or anything from our Occasions Cards bundle, I'd love to see it, and so would the rest of our dreamers. So head over to your Facebook and do a search for Dreaming Tree Group, or you can type in the URL here at the bottom of your screen and it'll take you directly there. So anyway, hope you guys had a good time. I did. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you again.